Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will show you a video. I just end up with some pour and decided that I will just pour some fluorescent piggies into the black. I dirty poured them in, and at first I tried to do Moira. My cat is here because I'm doing voiceover. And I first tried to do a wandering straight pour. I was hoping to get something nice, but I didn't like it at all. But because this is a process and sometimes it's just nice to watch paint flow, I will show you this part too, but it will not be the end result, but the end result is beautiful. So I first did this, and then because I didn't like it, I poured the same fluorescent paint into the white, and I flop it on this MDF board. So I basically just throw paint on there, and it creates some nice effects. And I was still not completely happy, so I decided to grab this cup that I have in my hands now, where some black paint was on the bottom, and I just flopped that little bit of paint on there, and it kind of turned out like some mushrooms or something, and it created at the end a beautiful kind of from the fairy tale story look. So now I will let you listen to some music, and don't forget to check the final result because it's interesting. And if you are interested in more of those kind of paintings, because it was not the best angle, I didn't even think about the angle because it was just filming myself doing some experiments after I had some paint left from the previous pour, and you will not see the whole flopping from the distance. So if you are interested, I can try to do some more of this kind of paintings, but this is it for today. Don't forget to check our tomorrow premiere for the Porcon raffle piece. So excited, and don't forget to check the final results. here is a close-up. I was flipping and flopping and end up with this cheerful, beautiful painting for my taste. I love it. Look at this one with those cells. They're kind of mushrooms or something, but of course this is all abstract art. I love it at the end. So that's how it looks when I just have some paints left after I do a pour and just want to play, have fun and experiment. And I think that this one is beautiful. I like it. Not so happy about some parts, but beautiful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to come to premiere tomorrow for popcorn raffle piece, or see you on the next one. Bye!